Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand passes. For those who are unaware, those who wish to come to Thailand presently, we are operating under the emergency decree of 2020. Prior to that period, prior to March 2020 when that decree was promulgated, the Thailand pass, or what its precursor was called the certificate of entry, was not required to come to Thailand. As of the time of this video, and at least for the presumably immediately foreseeable future, currently a Thailand pass is required in order to come into Thailand as a foreign national. And this is somebody who has for example, even a visa exempt. So you're coming in with no visa or you've applied for a visa. Either way, you still have to deal with the Thailand pass system. And a question that comes up somewhat frequently, especially these past few weeks, can one of these be denied? And the answer to that is yes, and we've seen it. And this is one of the reasons why you need to be especially careful in dealing with filing and processing a Thailand pass. And the reason I say that we deal with a lot of Thailand passes, we assist folks in dealing with the Thailand pass, both for folks who otherwise get a visa, they get a visa and the Thailand pass, or if they're coming in on visa exempt status, they don't need a visa, but they go ahead and still need the Thailand pass. We assist in both circumstances. And the reason I bring it up is because, yeah, a denial can really have some problems with respect to scheduling, because you got to deal with things like bookings and hotels. And if timing is something of an issue, if you're up against the wall with respect to timelines, a denial can have a really seriously negative impact on your situation. It can result in extra costs. It can result in extra resource expenses. So for this reason, yeah, understand they can be denied. It's probably a good idea to go ahead and start working on this sooner rather than later, so earlier, further away from your projected prospective time of departure. And in some cases, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.